Hey guys, are you looking for your dream home? We can help. Your property specialist. We will make it easy and help you to save time and money. Stay tuned, for this property might be your dream home. Naghahanap ka ba ng maganda, fully finished, 100% flood-free, may sunset at overlooking view pa? Dito lang yan sa Homeward Home Village. This is located along Tanawin Road, Barangay Tungkumanga, City of San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Just 2 kilometers away, SM San Jose, meron ka ng maganda at tahimik na community na napapaligiran ng mga puno.
Gate, guardhouse and landmarks.
Sunset at Homeward.
Welcome to the new model townhouse dito sa Homeward Home Village. Meron itong 40 square meter na lot area at 48.78 na floor area. Meron itong carport, meron ding pathway, and of course, ang ating main door. So this is our main entrance. And this is our foyer or ating hallway. Of course, pwedeng ito yung maging part na rin ng living area. Yan, we have here some furnitures. Now, these are not included sa ating turnover unit. This is our dress-up unit or our model house unit. That is why may mga gamit. No? So, this is our living area. And on this portion, nilagyan natin ng soft partition para maging ating dining area. So, we have a 4-seater dining area on this corner. Alright? Dito naman, paglabas natin ng service door, na makikita natin yung ating dirty kitchen. Ano yung ating kitchen? Of course, we have the kitchen sink, no? Magkakaroon ito ng faucet, syempre. Alright? So, we have here our toilet and bath sa portion na ito. Yan. So, of course, we have our water closet. We have our lavatory with faucet. We have our shower fixtures. No, may shower head doon. So, kompleto-kompleto na talaga. Itong ating mga fixtures dito sa ating toilet. But of course, we have a window, ating ventilation sa part na yun. Okay? So, this is our ground floor ng ating new model townhouse. Diretso naman tayo sa second floor, no? By the way, this new townhouse model is a fully finished turnover. We have the tiles, nakikita niyo naman, no? We have the paint, we have the room partition sa taas, and of course, we have the ceiling. Alright, so let's check our second floor, no? This is our stairs. We have a concrete stairs, no? May mga stopper tayo dito. And we have a handrails made of steel, no? So I think this is a 2x2 na tubular. Right? So dito sa second floor, makikita natin of course ang ating 2 bedrooms. We have here our master bedroom. So as you can see, napaka-ample ng space, no? We have our master bed and we have some space for our cabinets, for tables, no? Or couch, pwede dito. Alright? Sa portion na to, meron tayong bintana as ventilation. Pero later on, we can improve this property. Andun yung ating toilet and bath. So, pwede nating palagyan din ng CR. Itong ating master bedroom. Alright? And sa portion na to, meron tayong space, no, for yung ibabaw ng ating kitchen. So, probably pwede nating patayuan pa yan another room, no? Or stock room or walk-in closet. Alright? Dito naman, no, makikita natin ating second bedroom. Dito sa ating second floor, no, we have this kind of bed, no, na pwedeng nasa taas, tapos meron tayong study area or pwedeng lagayan din ng mga gamit na mga anak or anak natin. So pwede itong double deck since we still have some vacant space dito sa second floor for cabinets, no, and tables for study area. Pero okay din kasi yung ganito, no. So we have ventilation here, no. Yan, malaki yung ating bintana, kaya siguradong bubuksan lang natin, presko na dito sa second floor. Alright? And then of course, we have a mini balcony dito sa portion na to. As you can see, no, nilagyan natin ng tables and chairs para kung gusto magkape, gusto magpa-sunny buyer, or those nag-smoke, no? Pwede dito. Nakikita nyo naman, no? Open to, kaya mahangin talaga dito sa area. Alright? This is our hallway dito sa second floor, no? And of course, ang ating downstairs. So, dahil mataas yung ating ceiling, pwede tayong maglagay ng ganyan, mga aesthetic lamps, no? Or chandeliers para medyo mas elegante yung ating townhouse dito sa ating Homeward Home Village. Again, let's have the second look dito sa ground floor. So this is our living area. No? Pwedeng ilagay din yung television. Of course, ang ating dining area, no? We can put mga cabinets or shelves dito sa taas para mas maging maganda. And of course, this is our hallway, no? Palabas doon sa ating parking, and of course, doon sa ating access road. Again, this is our new townhouse model dito sa Homeward Home Village. For those who are interested, contact 0914834029, Marlon Approval Homes Realtor. Tara, we will bring you home.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit like, comment, and share para updated kayo sa mga post ko. Thank you! Let's go in finding your dream home.